Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to take omega-3 step by step. First, always consult your doctor before adding any new supplement to your routine, especially if you have existing health conditions or take other medications. It's crucial to understand the different forms of omega-3, such as EPA and DHA, and how they benefit your body. Then, you can determine the appropriate daily dosage based on your individual health goals and your doctor's advice. When choosing an omega-3 supplement, prioritize quality. Always look for products that are third-party tested to ensure purity and potency, free from contaminants like mercury. Carefully check the label for the specific amounts of EPA and DHA per serving, as these are the most beneficial omega-3 fatty acids. You can choose between liquid or capsule forms, depending on what is easiest for you to take consistently. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more health tips. On another note, if you're looking for a great way to read up on health topics or just enjoy a good book, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime. You can find the link for it and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. For optimal absorption, it's best to take your omega-3 supplement with a meal that contains some fat. This helps your body process the fatty acids more effectively. You might also consider dividing your daily dose into 2 or 3 smaller servings throughout the day, rather than taking it all at once. Remember, consistency is crucial. Taking your omega-3 regularly will help you experience its full range of health benefits over time. While generally well tolerated, some people might experience mild side effects like fishy burps or slight stomach upset. Taking your supplement with food can often help mitigate these issues. Proper storage is also important. Keep your omega-3 supplements in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight, to prevent oxidation. If you notice an unusually strong fishy odor, it might indicate spoilage, and the supplement should be discarded.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.